This AI cat cooking video trend is taking over social media. The best part is this niche is still untapped and bursting with potential, making it the perfect time for you to create your own viral hits. And here's the exciting news. You can do this with free AI tools like Piclumen AI and Hello AI in just minutes. You can get more views and income through ad revenue and brand deals. The first step in creating these videos is generating the perfect image prompts. And don't worry, I've got your back with a ready-made prompt designed to save your time. And you'll find the link to these prompts in the video description. Let's get started. Head over to the prompt template. Copy the ready-made prompt, paste it into ChatGPT and hit enter. In just seconds, ChatGPT will give detailed image prompts and you can easily customize the prompt to feature a different animal. Just swap out cat for any other creature. Now that we've generated our image prompt, it's time to bring them to life with Piclumen AI. Head over to the website and click Launch App. If you're new, sign up. Once you're in, click Create, then select Model and choose Flux Channel for the best results. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:60. Finally, set the number of images per sessions and you're ready. Next, head back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt. Then return to Piclumen AI, paste it into the prompt field and hit submit. It will generate stunning images. Then take a moment to review them. If you're happy with the results, ensure consistency across all your images. To do this, click on one of the images to access its details. Look for the seed number and copy it. Head to Advanced Settings, click Fixed and paste the seed number into the box. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy your second image prompt and repeat the process. Piclumen AI will create another image that matches the first one. Simply follow these easy steps to generate all your images. Download them and watch your scene come to life with seamless consistency. And also, if you're not satisfied with the images, you can always tweak your prompts. With a little trial and error and a few creative adjustments, you'll get the perfect results. The next step is to turn your images into videos using Hello AI. It transforms your visuals into captivating clips. So let's bring your creativity to life and start making it work for you. So for that, head over to Hello AI website and click sign in. Once you're in, click try now to proceed to the generation page. From here, set the model to i2v01 live. Then click upload new image to upload your first image. Next, return to Piclumen AI and copy the corresponding image prompt and paste it into the prompt field on Hello AI. Hit create and it will begin the generation process. Follow these steps to transform your images into videos and download them straight to your device. And if you're not satisfied with the results, you can regenerate your videos. After generating your videos, proceed to upscale them to make them stand out. To do this, head over to CapCut. On the website, click Magic Tools, then scroll down and select Video Upscaler. From there, click Upload to add your video. Once it's uploaded, simply click Upscale and let CapCut work its magic. Once it's done, click Export and on the next page, hit Download to save it on your device. The next step is to create background music and download sound effects for your video. For background music, we'll use Suno AI, a powerful tool for crafting custom tracks. Head to their website and sign up. Once you're logged in, click Create to access the music creation interface. For the perfect music, go to ChatGPT and ask for a music creation prompt. And ChatGPT will generate a prompt to suit your video's vibe. Copy the prompt, head back to Suno, switch on instrumental, paste the prompt and hit create. And in just a moment, Suno will create 2 tracks. Choose your favorite and download it to your device. For sound effects, head over to Pixabay, select sound effects and type in the effect you're looking for. Browse through all the options and download the ones that fit your video best. Now the final step is to bring everything together in CapCut and create a stunning professional video. For that, click Create Project, import all your video clips, sound effects and background music into a project. Add each video clip to the timeline and trim them down to 3 seconds each to keep your audience engaged. Then adjust each clip so everything fits perfectly. Next, click Transitions. Select the black fade transition and place it between the first and the second clip. Reduce its duration to 0.1 seconds for a sleek effect and click Apply to all. Then add your sound effects, align each sound effect with the appropriate clip. Then add in your background music, trim it and adjust the volume for a perfectly balanced audio experience. Once everything is in place, cross-check. Click Export to save your masterpiece to your device and just like that, you have created a stunning video. Let's check out the final result now. Wow, that turned out absolutely amazing. I hope you found this video helpful. Also, tell us in the comments if you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to discover even more exciting content. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. I will see you guys in the next one.